Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Visite and this is the next tutorial on Java programming. In this tutorial, we're gonna discuss about method overloading and type promotion. Okay. If no matching data type is found, then one type is promoted to another implicitly. Okay. Where is a let's understand the concept by the figure given below. As displayed in the diagram, here is a byte. This byte can be promoted to short, okay, and also byte can be promoted to short. It also can be promoted to int, and also can be promoted to long and float, and also in double. Okay, so here short, the short the short data type can be promoted into int, then it can be promoted into long, then it can be promoted into double, no, floor, and double also. Okay, and here the character, this character data type can be promoted to int, and it can promote it to long, and also can promote it to float and double, and so on. This is the concept about the method overloading and type formation in Java. Okay, now let's see an example of method loading with type promotion. Let's make a class of overloading calculation. Okay, so I'm going to make a main method here, void sum. So I'm giving the time data if you're int a long b, so I'll print here a plus b. Also I'm going to create another method. I void sum. So I'm here I'm giving int a, int b, int c. Let's execute the program. So I'm making an object of the class. I'm calling object somewhere the first one. So I'm giving here 20 and 20. So object some train train train. What will be happens here means here now second and literal will be promoted to long. This second int literally promoted to long. Okay, let's execute the program. You will get the output is 20 here and 30 in 10. Sum is 30. Okay, we'll this much for today's tutorial, and we are going to discuss in the next tutorial that example. Some we will see some example of methodology with type promotion if matching is found. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icons to get the notification of my new videos. See you in the next tutorial.